My boyfriend went to sleep after doing the deed. Does he even love me?
Oh,
Welcome to the Kapagap show.
where we talk about everything. Gapaga.
The Cup Show.
I have faced something similar.
I think every girl has.
Yeah. If I were in a similar situation, I would feel the same. I think men tend to, after the deed, they just like
Get tired.
women want to cuddle, talk.
Yeah. I don't think it means he doesn't love you. I just think that he's really tired and his testosterone levels have gone down and he's feeling really satisfied. But at the same time, I think he can put in the effort to be there a little bit.
It not necessarily mean that they don't love you. It's just how their bodies are. But still, I would enjoy, like, I would like if my partner would.
Women get really energetic after sex. They feel energized and they get a little chatty.
I feel they become very happy and in a good mood and they want to talk.
Yeah.
And men, they become just tired, so they just
Yeah.
want to sleep.
Why is it always the opposite with both the sexes? I think we're always going in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I think if you have a
Sometimes-
conversation, he'll put in the effort to stay awake for a bit and
Yeah, don't just assume. Like, just say that you would like to talk. Like, if every time he is going to sleep after the deed, then it's a problem. But sometimes you should let him sleep also, and sometimes he should wake up and put in the effort to talk to you if you want to talk.
come to a nice middle ground. If he's had a really tiring day at office, maybe we can expect a little bit less from him on those days.